If you keep asking ChatGPT for content ideas and still don't know what to post, this video fixes that. Because you don't need more ideas, you need a content plan. Welcome back to Glam Wealth Studio. If you're building a faceless business, but your mind goes blank every time you sit down to create, you don't need to show your face. And you don't need to start from scratch. You need structure. So here are 7 quick steps to plan your first week of faceless content with ChatGPT. And stay with me because at the end, I'm giving you the exact prompt to copy and paste. First, understand this. Faceless does not mean random. Your message is the brand, not your face. But even faceless content needs a plan. Posting and hoping is not a strategy. Step 1, choose one clear audience. Asking ChatGPT for content ideas for your business is too broad. That's why your results feel generic. Instead, tell it exactly who you serve, like beginners and 9-to-5 workers who want to build faceless digital income using AI. One sentence changes everything. Step 2, pick one problem they're struggling with right now. Maybe they don't know what to post. Maybe AI overwhelms them. Don't solve everything. Pick one. One problem can fuel a whole week of content. And this next step is what makes everything easier. Step 3, choose one weekly theme. Instead of asking, what should I post today? Every post that week supports one idea, like your first week of faceless content. Consistency builds trust, and it makes your content bingeable. Step 4, now ask ChatGPT for a 7-day content plan with a hook, a content idea, a caption, and a call to action for each day. You have an audience, a problem, and a theme. Now AI can actually help you. Your week could look like this. Day 1, why random posting keeps you stuck. Day 2, choose one audience. Day 3, share an AI prompt. Day 4, repurpose one idea. Day 5, faceless is not invisible. Day 6, give people a next step. Day 7, momentum over perfection. But here's where most beginners mess it up. Step 5, don't stop at ideas. That's the big mistake. Ask ChatGPT to turn each one into a script, a caption, or a short. Give AI a specific job. Brainstorm, outline, write, and repurpose. That's a system. Step 6, give every post one job. Some posts educate, some build trust, some invite people to the next step. If all you do is teach, people never buy. If all you do is sell, they tune out. You need a mix. And this last step is what actually keeps you going. Step 7, batch so you don't burn out. One day to plan, one day to create, one day to schedule, especially if you work a 9-to-5, because motivation is cute until life gets busy. Systems keep you moving. Here's the exact prompt. Screenshot this or grab it from my pinned comment. Act as a content strategist for a beginner-friendly, faceless digital business. My audience is beginners and 9-to-5 workers who want to build digital income using AI, faceless content, and simple online business strategies. Their main problem is they do not know what to post and feel overwhelmed by AI. Create a 7-day faceless content plan around the theme. Planning your first week of faceless content. For each day, include the content type, hook, main idea, 3 talking points, caption idea, text overlay ideas, and 1 clear call to action. Make it simple, practical, and beginner-friendly. That gives you a real plan, not just ideas. Then read it, adjust it, and make it sound like you. AI supports your voice. It doesn't replace it. Quick recap. One audience, one problem, one theme. Ask for the 7-day plan. Turn ideas into outlines. Give every post a job and batch so you don't burn out. One simple system you can repeat. If this helped, grab my free digital freedom blueprint below to map your first steps. And if you want step-by-step support, join us inside Faceless Freedom Society, where we build the actual system. Subscribe. And remember, you don't have to show your face to build something real. See you in the next video.